Hey, what's going on, YouTube land, Bear Bull Traders? How's everybody doing out there? Hey, guess who? It's me. I haven't been on the channel for a while because we've been getting trading on here. Andrew, our boss man, has been home trading for us every day, and when that happens, I don't get to pinch hit. Happy to be hanging out with everybody today in the room. I want to roll some trade ideas through you guys, show you what we did in the room. Of course, joined as always by the prophet of profit, the incomparable Brian Pezim. My friend, how are you doing today? How was your weekend?
The weekend was really good, and we're doing pretty well this morning too.
Yeah,
So
we're
there you
doing
go.
great. I'm gonna if anyone can go and when we're in the BBT room, we post our watch list in the BBT room, and as soon as you look at the watch list, you're seeing Tesla, Meta, kind of our usual suspects that we like to go to. And right off the bat, we got some great trades on Tesla. I have this one from Paris. He's getting pretty popular around here, especially with his new tape reading course and all that. He got this monster short on Tesla and caught this great breakdown. I know you got a piece of Tesla as well, right? As well as some other things.
Yeah, just on the 275 pop up rejection from the nine and the nine moving average, and then that was a nice. I sort of caught a part of that, or part of that. Obviously, Paris caught the reversal right at the open. So yeah, nice trade for Paris there.
Absolutely.
And I tagged along on that one. So that was my best trade of the day.
So, I mean, well, the reality is, if it's a good trade, you only need one. So if it,
That's
and
right.
that gets
Yeah.
us there. I only did one as well today. I took a trade on Meta. I really like this short idea on Tesla. For those of you who use Camarillas or pivots, you'll know that this R3 to R4 range under here is a range we really like for selling. Paris, Solace, I'm sure failing off of a seller that was here and we're in the right range as soon as we made the new lows. If you were paying attention, it's a good spot to get short for sure. And he got a really nice move out of that, which you got too. I was looking at Meta. The reason I was so interested in Meta today, which I'm gonna go all out of it if it gets above VWAP with my I'm kind of trying to run a few shares the entire range, but we'll see what happens on the rest of them. But I was looking at Meta and kind of similarly, we had broken out, but we just weren't making it. And if I'm going to show you guys my daily chart, let me pull this over real quick. But on my daily chart, you can actually see Meta is in that same R3 selling range on the daily. And basically every single day for the past few sessions, anytime Meta's tried to push 298, it has failed off of the large sellers that are at 298. Now, I don't really use a lot of levels. What I use is the order book. So I wanted to say to myself, what's making this fail? Well, if you pop onto your order book, which I use Bookmap, which is a great program I recommend to anybody. When I'm using Bookmap, you can see here, look at when you go to 298 and 299, look what we find, right? Just very, very large institutional sellers at 298, 299, and you'll see if I zoom out, an even larger one at 300. So, and now you can see in the morning session, we actually tried to negotiate to move up to those orders, and we did not get the volume. So really, there was only one option, and that was to entice some selling and to get our buyers to come in. So we started moving lower with the market. And as you can see, our institutional orders haven't budged at all. They're still just sitting there, just doing what institutional orders do. We just didn't have the volume to move into those orders, so we sold off of these highs. So I played that move as we sold back down to these lows. And if I zoom in a little bit here, you can see where our buyers started buying in to the low side here on the book. So I'm actually added in because we really don't have at the time I added, we didn't have a lot to the top side that made me think that we were gonna squeeze. But then after some I believe it was wholesale inventories came out, we kind of got a little bit of pep in the market. So we're squeezing up. If we move too much higher, I'll probably take off the rest of the position and just call it a day on this one. But otherwise, really great trade. Took 2 tries to get it. First one was good. Got my partial, but got stopped on a hard squeeze. Second one, shorted. Put same stop, but put my target a little lower. So because I got in a little lower, and that let me stay out of the fray. Got a really nice move plus an add. So, and that's me. Be quick before I pop out. I do want to go over to the trading room. I want to show you guys kind of this cool thing we've got going on in the trading room. Let me pull that over here. Try not to duplicate my screen 4,000 times, but we'll see what happens. But check this out. I'm going to bring, here's our man Brian again coming over here, but you can see down here, look at all of these different things we've got going on. So, I mean, it's really all these different orders that we've got going on here on the trading tab from all of our different traders in the room. Here's Mark. Mark caught the bounce on Apple off of our low cam level here, still in that one. Really great play. Look at Christian here. Christian got a nice short on Amazon. So I just want you guys out there in YouTube land, you know, when you're coming into the chat room, we got moderators in here. We're cool people. We're helping. We're calling trades. But notice these trades aren't like our trades. Look at that. Short on Tesla right at the top tick. Great job, Artak. So, you know, these are just our community of traders that are in here. There's the bounce off of S4 on Qs. S4 to the penny almost on Qs, by the way, off of the cam levels. Great grab there. So we've got momentum trading, option tradings, we've got futures trades, we've got everything going in here in the BBT room. So if you're out there in YouTube and you're looking for a community to belong to that A is super supportive and a lot of fun, but B has a diverse amount of talent and technical experience, you know, I'd love to have you come by and try this out. If you haven't had a chance, check out the pre-market show. They've got some promo codes in there that can get you some deep discounts on getting into things. Come by and check us out and have fun. For everybody else out there, please, if you can, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. You know how it works, and we'll keep going. Brian, man, fun trading with you as always, sir. You know, we kind of laughingly say we always make money, but we kind of always do. Yeah. So it's just kind of a thing.
No. Yeah, it is. Seems like it. Ooh, Tesla's breaking out here.
All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and call this then because Tesla's getting spicy and Brian and I are about to make a little bit more, I think. So I hope everyone has a great one. I'll talk to you later and keep it green, people.